Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome back to Grumpy's LaidBak Carvings. I hope everybody's having an awesome day. This is a blessing box that's long overdue. Miss Francis sent me some goodies. She's sending me boxes, and I appreciate it so much. I don't know how much I can say thank you, or just how I can say thank you, but thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. She's got us some blanks. These are some awesome blanks right here, and that's not all. You watch Miss Francis is on her Friday Night Lives. She's doing her dragon molds and stuff like that, and I love some dragons and stuff, and so it's like, boom. I love my dragon. It hangs up in my box right here beside me. And then that's not all. She also sent me a bunch of mica powders in little bags, like what I started using. And oh my goodness, if I pull this out, I'm going to be covered in mica powders because I've already done it once. So I'm not going to pull them all out of the bag right now. But there is so many. I think I counted out, I think it was 20, I think it was like 20 different colors. There was more than 20 different colors, I believe it was. And there's a bunch of them. But awesome different mica powders and stuff. And I love it because, I love playing with the different colors for my blanks and whatnot. But oh my goodness, Miss Francis, thank you so much for the box. Everybody, y'all go check out her channel. I'm gonna have a link for it in my description. And again, she does Friday Night Lives, 6 o'clock Central Standard Time, most every Friday night. It's pretty fun, y'all need to go check her out. But man, I love this community. I love all the support, and man, y'all rock. Thank you so much. Everybody, y'all have an awesome day. Stay awesome, stay laid back. And hey, remember, it's my job to be grumpy. God bless everybody.